All right, I'm back, y'all. Working on something else. So this time I'm troubleshooting a Briggs & Stratton Vanguard, the V16 engine. It's a 2-cylinder, 16 horsepower engine. The engine I know works and runs. The ignition never worked when I got it. It had been sitting for a while. So I was doing the old screwdriver to touch the prong thing to get it to start, but I got tired of that. So this is a 3-prong solenoid. This is the easiest solenoid to ever troubleshoot because it's 3 prongs. You have your battery coming in 12 volt. Oh, sorry. You have your battery coming in 12 volt. Then you have your starter wire here. And then here you have your like a signal wire or whatever. 12 volt signal. So this 12 volt wire here, the 12 volt wire here, what it does is when it gets voltage, when you turn the key, it connects these two and then you get power to your starter. So what happens is that clicking that you hear is this prong here connecting these two. So to troubleshoot this is how you would troubleshoot to see if your solenoid is bad. You would first see if you have power coming in. So you put your red positive here. And then you would get your black probe for negative and put it there. So these two should give you 12 volts, 12 and a half. There, hold on, I'm trying to do this on the phone. There and here should give you 12 volts. So even with the ignition off, you should get 12 volts. Now, when you turn the key to like start it, now you should get 12 volts here. 12 volts here you should get now, and along with your ground. Okay? And when you turn the key, if you get 12 volts here, now you know that your switch is good. Now, if you're still not getting voltage on this side, that means that your solenoid is bad. So this is going to be your negative or your ground. So maybe if you don't have a 12 volts on this side, when you connect these two, I would go ahead and check the ground on the bottom. Use some sandpaper to clean it up. And then, try it again. A lot of times these prongs do get rusty from sitting out. So go ahead and use some sandpaper on there too. See if you can get 12 volts. If you still can't get 12 volts, then make sure this is tight. And then trace this cable, this battery wire, back to your battery. But this is a really easy way to troubleshoot. These 3 prongs are very easy to figure out. So just to recap, ground or negative, you're positive from your battery. When you turn the key like you're going to start it, you should now get a 12 volt reading here on this prong. If you don't, that means that the solenoid is bad. As soon as you get 12 volts here, this is supposed to connect your 12 volts to this side to get your starter. Okay? All right, I'll see y'all on the next one.